Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to log in Facebook automatically. Automatically logging into Facebook is generally handled by the Facebook app itself. Here is a general guide on how to enable automatic login on the Facebook app. If you haven't already download and install the Facebook app, download and install Facebook app from the Google Play Store and open the Facebook app. Enter your email address or phone number and password to log in. After that, tap on login. After successfully logging in, Facebook may promote you with an option to remember your password. For future logins, make sure to check or enable that option. If you want to ensure automatic login in the future, you can go to your Facebook account setting within the app and check for options related to password or login setting. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.